Hi, my name is Patrick Corder. Today we are in the beautiful showroom of MarineMax in Stuart, and I'll be going through a short walkthrough video of the 23 Outrage by Boston Whaler. This boat is equipped with a white 300 and white gel coat, as well as the beautiful chrome Boston Whaler logo. As you board the boat, you'll notice you have a little transom area. We have a tow pole that can be easily removed, so you can gain access from one side to the other. It is equipped with a live well with an LED light. Beautiful transom seating. This boat is equipped with that gray interior that Whaler has added to their arsenal. And then the unique feature here of the 23 Outrage is this helm setup. Having nice little cutting table, prep station. But if you're out on the boat, you can turn this into nice seating. So if you are trolling, you have your friends staring at the back while you're keeping an eye on what's in front of you. And you can have access to seating on both sides. So you can have your bolsters down or up at this backrest point. This boat does have the Mercury digital throttle, a Simrad MFD, Mercury vessel view, as well as a Simrad VHF. It's equipped with the JL audio package, great storage for your phone, wallet, and keys. Switching at the Whaler logo. If you keep on walking towards the midship, you'll see the nice tall head layout for a 23-footer. This is tremendous space. As you make your way to the bow, you have another forward fish box if you want. It is Loctite storage, so if you want to put, I usually put all of the important lures and stuff like that I want to keep on the boat here. And then again, forward center cooler. Storage underneath this bow seat, and then the beautiful windlass setup here on the bow area. My name is Patrick Corder, again with MarineMax in Stuart. If you'd like to see this boat in person or schedule a sea trial, give us a call at 772-287-4495. Thank you.